This is Mama Tadgulawala from Bandra Bazaar Road. He has got the best Tadgulas. I've known him for last 25 years. He's the only guy, he's a North Indian, but he is adopted to the ways of the Marathi Manus. He speaks fluent Marathi. He dresses up like a Maharashtrian. And he is Amchi Mumbai's North Indian Mumbaikar. तेरा बाबा, तेरा नाम क्या है यार? सब तेरे को मामा बोलते, तेरा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम हीरालाल।
हीरालाल। और तुम्हारा जिला कौन सा है?
जिला हमारा जौनपुर है।
हाँ, जौनपुर। हाँ, अभी मुंबई में कितने साल हो गए आपको?
हो गया
60 साल। For last 60 years he's been plying his trade in Mumbai. This is Tadgola, very also known as ice apple.
नहीं रेडी तो नहीं है। कितना मंगता था?
This is Bandra reclamation. Beyond the bus depot. It's a restricted area for rickshaws, taxi drivers, buses. The havoc that cyclone Taukete has done is immense. Today I have decided to walk from here, from my home to Bandra Reclamation, instead of my home to Chapel Road. Now I will be going into a East Indian village called Cemetery. It has a church and a cemetery called the St. Francis the Assisi. It's a very interesting place. A unique village. So this is Bandra Reclamation. Just see this. Welcome. I am now taking you all, my friends, into a tour of a fishing village called Cemetery. The reason these are fiber boats, it's called Cemetery, is because it's attached to the cemetery of St. Francis the Assisi of Bandra. And this is a very unique village. And these are the East Indians who live here. This is the East Indian village of Cemetery. It's almost like visiting any other East Indian village in Vasai. And the beauty about these East Indian houses is they are protected by Jesus, they are protected by Mother Lady Velankani, Every house, every house is protected. These are the sumo wrestlers of Bandra. This is a fishing village, East Indian fishing village called Cemetery. And there is Buddha. This goes outside, no? Oh, that way, okay. Hello there. This is the path.
Yeah.
I always forget actually. Thank you. Sorry.
Welcome.
Yeah. You are a very unique village, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
I always forget this path.
Go straight. Go
Straight, no? Okay, okay. So this is the village, the fishing village of Cemetery. Almost everybody has cats over here. I said everybody has cats over
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
You are taking good care of them because they are all hungry, I think.
No, we feed them.
Very good.
We buy from shop. Aage
Okay.
makale.
So there's a lot of winding roads, winding paths inside this village. Easy to get lost. Now, this is Little Angels Nursery and Play School. Very beautiful village.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, very peaceful. It reminds me of Vasai village.
Yeah.
Vasai, Uttar. No, I am from Bandra. I am from Bandra. Reclamation. What are you making? I am from Bandra Reclamation.
I make food over here.
Okay. What are you making?
I'm making rice.
Only. The best, the best,
I'll make chicken curry.
the best thing you all make is fish curry.
No, I'll make chicken curry.
How are you, madam? So this is the East Indian police. They are the fisher folks. Very humble, very loving people. And now this is the seaside cemetery of Mount Carmel. It's open from 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. only, but it is locked during the lockdown. Mount Carmel Seaside Cemetery. How are you, sir? This is St. Francis of Assisi Church, Roman Catholic Church. No mask, no entry. This one. This is St. Francis. for wedding receptions.
Maybe they climb on there and they jump and they keep on running. They open the gate and they went inside.
There's kids passing the time. This is the St. Francis the SSC cemetery. I'm shooting it from the closed door. And this is it. It's a very peaceful place. I have come via Bandra Reclamation, but you can come through John the Baptist Road or Khandeshwari Lane as it is called. St. Francis of Assisi Church, Bandra West, St. Peter's Church, Seaside Cemetery. In death life is changed. This is the road leading towards Khandeshwari. You can see Ranjit Dahiya's painting of Amitabh Bachchan. The saddest part is the Bandra Jewish cemetery. Just see the street. I can't go unless they've done this deliberately to stop people like us from shooting. That is Amitabh Bachchan. See him. It was painted by Mr. Ranjit Dahiya. The tallest mural graffiti art. And I'm shooting on my Vivo mobile. So you can see it. This is Khandeshwari Road actually. Oh, where have I lost it? The lady is telling me to shoot the garbage. See the garbage. This is the garbage. And that is the Bandra Jewish Cemetery. This is St. Andrew's Church. Pandemic lockdown. Absolutely silent. I'm shooting through a gap in the gate. My mentor, my friend, Father Peter Drago, used to be the parish priest. There is no more. These are the graves. Most beautiful church. Excellent. The interiors are absolutely beautiful, exquisite. And this lady been sitting here for ages, so many years. Marathi lady. She says that ahead is yacht. And this is the road going to Hill Road.